so absolutely beautiful here. So if you ask me if I would sooner be by the beach and trade that for this, no contest, I'm staying here. I'm a green and trees and flowers girl, and although I live by the sea, and it is beautiful, this is nectar for me. And again, for those of you who can't get out, this is a little trip for you. And I can't tell you, I wish I could film the scent and let that come through, because it is just absolutely gorgeous. And you know, this purple is wood deep. And it has been recorded as one of the coldest Mays on record since a good few years. I can't remember when. But today is beautiful, and we've had a lot of rain. Not in the last 2 days, but certainly in the few preceding that. And of course, that's just fed these guys. They are really absolutely in their prime, and got a little wooden enemy down there as well. It's lovely. The sun is coming and going. Oh gosh, the scent is so glorious, quite heady. And my companions have taken the lower road, I've taken the higher road or path, because I just knew what this one had to offer. And it is just marvellous. I mean, talk about the miracle of nature. Yeah, so all the UFO stuff and all the rest of that feeds into this miracle of life. It's fascinating, isn't it? Because you'd think that's at a complete juxtaposition, but I remember Sixto Paz Wells talking about a plant, like a hybrid plant and animal, that he said looked most in the plant world like a geranium. But I think it was like, I'd have to listen to it again actually, but I think I remember him saying it moved a little bit like, I can't remember if it was a cat, anyway, but it was like it had the components of life, like a creature, animal. And it's not that I don't think these guys are not incredibly filled with life and all the rest of it, but normally you don't get to see mobility and consciousness expressed in that way. So I can't remember if that was where he went to the Crystal City, where he said there were also many humans who had been rescued over the many times from falling through portals, dimensional doorways, or had been rescued otherwise. And I remember him talking about a figure of about 12,000 human beings. These are human beings, and because of the nature of their journeying, either falling through a portal, I'm not sure how that happens, but anyway, they were unable to go back to Earth because that would have killed them. So they have lived out their life in these amazing places. Gosh, wouldn't it be great to go visit? Okay, guys. I love the sound of those planes. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Uh-oh, more bluebells. Enjoy.